Place the machine on a flat surface. Take out the detachable water tank. Make sure you've rinsed it with clean water. Add fresh drinking water. Slide it back in. Fill in the bean hopper with some fresh coffee beans. Switch on the machine by long pressing. The machine will run an automatic cleaning cycle during its first use. Let this complete, and once it's finished, the machine is ready to brew. Once the machine is ready to brew, it comes to the main menu. The Budan X7 offers 16 different customizable beverage options, allowing you to prepare a wide range of drinks at one touch of a button. Use the control panel to select your preferred beverage, such as espresso, cappuccino, latte, americano, and more. You can customize strength, milk, and cup size based on your preference, while the machine handles grinding, brewing, and extraction automatically. Coming to milk-based drinks. For milk-based beverages, ensure the milk frother is properly connected. You can use a container of your choice. I'll be using this container, filling it up with fresh milk. The machine automatically heats and froths milk and combines it with coffee for consistent cappuccinos, lattes, or flat whites. Let's get to brewing coffee now. Take a cup of your choice. Put it beneath. The height of the brewer is adjustable, and just select a beverage of your choice. I'm going to be making a cappuccino. In just under a minute, your creamy cafe-like cappuccino would be ready at home.